I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it instead. I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
Hey guys, it's Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm gonna start off this morning by making a green juice, and any green juices or like detox juices are good for your health, your gut health, and just it's basically like a skincare but from within, so it makes you glow from within. And I already had most of the ingredients at home and the rest I got on Sunday. And I was actually just craving a green juice, which is why I'm actually making it today. I think last time I had it was like maybe 8 months ago. Yeah, I think like 8-9 months ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna make one right now. Alright, so we have our ingredients here. So starting off, we have a pineapple, yummy yummy. And then we have a cucumber, just a regular cucumber. And then we have a lemon, and then we have some apples. We didn't have any green apples when I went to the store on Sunday, but regular apples will do as well. And then I also have some baby spinach, and I'll also use like water to blend it properly. But yeah, let's start the green juice. I'm gonna start off by just chopping everything so I can blend it more easily. So I didn't have enough space to add the baby spinach, so I'm just gonna blend everything that's in the blender first, and then when it's reduced, I'll add in the baby spinach after. Oh wait, I forgot to add water. Oops. So I have my blended green juice over here, and now I'm gonna do the part that takes quite a while, which is strain out all the pulp. I'm gonna pour it into this cup first, the bigger one, and then I'm gonna strain it again and then pour it into the smaller one. This is gonna take a while, but I'm ready. Also, the sun is coming out, which is so nice. Oh my gosh. Cheers, everyone. It tastes so fresh, and it tastes so healthy. I actually made quite a lot, surprisingly. Last time when I made it, it came up to like here, but today it came up to pretty much this whole thing, which I'm very excited about. So I can put it in the fridge, and this will last me like 3 days, I think. I'm getting a bit hungry, and I made shrimp fried rice the other day and it was so good. And I still have some leftovers, so I'm probably just gonna eat that for lunch. So here it is. This is what I made yesterday. And as you can see, look at that shrimp. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna eat that. And then I'm also gonna watch either Netflix or YouTube. So I kind of want to start a new show, but I don't know. Anyways, let's just serve this up and then I'll figure it out. Food is served. Good morning everyone. It is such beautiful weather today and I woke up early today and I just wanted to get a Pilates workout in, so that is what I'm gonna do. So it's now breakfast time and I finished my workout. And for breakfast, I'm gonna be making some Greek yogurt pancakes, and I made these the other day and they were so good. I even added a raspberry syrup on top. And it was so good, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just doing regular Greek yogurt pancakes. And if you don't like protein powder, add some Greek yogurt to your pancakes. They still taste like regular pancakes, so that's a little tip. Probably top it up with some fruit as well. And let's make breakfast. Breakfast is served, and look how good this looks, you guys. Oh, and I'm gonna eat this up. Hello everyone, it is currently the next day, so the day after I did shopping yesterday, and we went to TK Maxx and we went to Primark. And the reason why we went shopping yesterday is because tomorrow is my church beach day, and my church does annual beach day. So every year we all go to the beach, we set up our tents, we have our barbecues, we go swimming in the ocean, volleyball on the beach, we do all these fun games at the beach, and we just go and hang out, and we literally just have the best time ever. So I'm very excited for that, and fingers crossed that the weather is good, because it actually got cancelled last year because there was a storm. But this year the weather is not looking bad. I think the weather for tomorrow is about like 23 degrees ish, which is pretty good. So let's just hope that the weather is good. But I got 2 new tops. One I got in TK Maxx and one I got in Primark. I'll show you the top that I got from Primark first. In Primark I got this cute little tank top that says Los Angeles, and it's from the Rita Ora collection, and it's just a cute, just normal baby tee tank top, whatever you want to call it. And I'm actually wearing this top tomorrow with a skirt. So, and then in TK Maxx, you guys, I found my new favorite top, which I can't wear yet because it's too hot, but it is the most perfect top for fall and just for back to school. And this is what it looks like. Are you kidding me? Look at this, you guys. When I saw this, I was so excited. I was like, I need to get that because the color is perfect. It's like a v-neck tight fitted sweater, and the sweater is initially from Diaries, and I'm so excited to wear this top during this fall and fall semester. It's gonna be great. Those are the 2 tops that I got, and then now I just need to pack my bags for tomorrow, like my swimwear and then the clothes that I'm wearing and my towel, just so it's all ready for tomorrow. But then tomorrow morning I will officially pack my bag and then we're gonna head out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so we have my beach bag over here. It's just a regular like tote bag, and I'm gonna start by putting in my towel. Here's my pink towel. And I'm gonna share this bag with my sister as well, so when she packs her stuff, everything's gonna go in there as well. Then I'm just bringing in this black bikini top, and this is from Matalan, and I've had it for quite a bit, so I'm taking this. And then for my bottoms, I like to just wear shorts just to cover up a bit because I don't want to be too exposed, so I just wear these normal black shorts. And I actually swim with these. I swam with them last year as well. They dry out pretty quickly once I get out of the water. So this is what I like to wear. And the top that I showed you guys earlier from Los Angeles. And then my skirt is currently getting washed for tomorrow. And then gotta bring sunscreen, but I am using this tomorrow as well. So for now, I'll leave my clothes out on top of my bag, and then tomorrow I'll put everything in my bag. And then I'm just bringing this flower clip because it just screams beach, and I was planning to put it either on my shirt or just on the bag. Oh no, kind of just like that, and it's so cute. Good morning everyone. So we are currently on our way to one of our friends is picking us up and dropping us to the beach, so that is where we're going. And guys, the weather is so nice. I'm so happy it's not raining.